If Cash App is stuck on an infinite loading screen or displaying a connection error, you are currently blocked from the interface. This software failure creates a barrier between you and your available financial assets. Resolving this requires a 5-step diagnostic protocol to isolate and remove the specific variables causing the lockout. Ensure you have immediate access to your linked backup email or phone number before proceeding with the recovery steps. Approaching the login failure as a structural problem allows you to analytically identify the bottleneck and force your way back into the system. Step 1 is verifying the integrity of your local network. Toggle between Wi-Fi and mobile data. This forces the device to find a new routing path, bypassing localized ISP failures that often stall the login process. Step 2 is an audit of the application's software version. Visit the Play Store or App Store to check for pending updates. This diagram shows why versioning matters. The server requires specific encryption protocols to initiate a handshake. If the app is outdated, the data packet is rejected as a security risk. If the App Store displays an open prompt rather than update, your software baseline is already confirmed as secure. Establishing these baselines eliminates most connectivity errors without necessitating changes to your internal device settings. Step 3 addresses device-specific anomalies, focusing on the Android operating system. Temporary storage files can become corrupted over time. When this happens, the app can become trapped in an execution loop that prevents the login screen from loading. To neutralize this, navigate to Settings, then Apps, and select Cache App. Open the storage menu and select Clear Cache. Ensure you do not select Clear Data, as that deletes your locally stored preferences and history. Purging the cache forces the application to generate a fresh, uncorrupted local environment upon launch, which effectively breaks the error loop. Step 4 involves initiating the credential reset protocol if your password is continually rejected by servers. Use the Forgot Password option to trigger a one-time password flow. Input the secure code sent to your backup email or phone to reset your credentials and re-establish your identity. Step 5 shifts the entire investigation away from your local hardware and onto Cash App's global server infrastructure. This chart displays real-time outage reports from third-party sites like Down Detector. A sudden massive spike indicates that the server architecture itself is struggling to handle requests. When the graph looks like this, the failure is systemic and external to your device. If the global infrastructure is down, local troubleshooting cannot solve the problem. You must wait for a host-side resolution from the service provider. If servers are operational but the error persists, use the final contingency, a full application reinstallation. Completely uninstall the application from your device's operating system. Your financial account is held in a remote cloud vault. Removing the local app from your phone has no impact on your balance or your stored data. Reinstalling ensures the software is entirely sterile, allowing for a brand new handshake with the financial servers. Completing this diagnostic protocol typically bypasses the authentication barrier. The standard green dashboard will appear, providing access to your active balance and the main navigation menu. By methodically eliminating these technical variables, you have successfully restored order and finally regained access to your funds. Subscribe for more technical resolution protocols, and let us know in the comments which specific step restored your account access.